500.
Kaya kulang. 555.
Ito, susumbo ko kayo sa mga misis nyo. Ito mga misis, nagsusugal ito mga asawa nyo. Oh.
All in. 10.
Eh, si Fred, mabait, hindi nagsusugal.
All in.
Kanina ka pa ba, Oli?
$700 to call.
Okay, go. Wait. Dalawa na lang kayo?
$700 to call?
700. Hindi, total niya. 820 total.
Sige mo ng tatlo na to, tsaka apat na para by
Perfect. Okay.
Table A looks like Vince is ahead.
Show us. Ayan. Ace queen. King queen. And then ito pa, oh.
Uy! Wow.
Ace. Ace na lang.
King Queen wins.
Nagamin din.
Magaling na mag-golf, magaling na
Okay.
Romy na lang.
Romy Ramirez wins.
Okay. Kailangan mag-replace ng ano.
Hey, weakest link. Separate bet, okay? Separate bet.
I got 2 outs.
No, pero sabi mo magdadagdag mo isa.
I know, dapat magdagdag ng isa rito eh.
Yeah.
How much you got?
Wala rin mo yan. 500, 700, 700, 755.
755.
Who's money maker over there? Looks like he's John. John, you're the money maker.
Looks like Mr. Cardenas is ahead on this table.
I'm barely hanging on.
All in!
Well, we have 2 outs. We can't move.
Oh,
We're staying the same. We have 2 guys out in 1 hand.
who needs to transfer?
We have 6 players.
Ready? Burn. Nasasanay na. Ito na. Nako.
Wow, fair deuces.
Quadruple.
So, I'm gonna go get this in here. 500, bet.
Baraso, you got the chips.
Alright.
Burn.
Up.
Show.
Whoa.
Wow. Too hard.
Five.
Tinalo mo ako eh. Tinatakot mo ako lagi.
Matanggal ang isa, pwede na isang table.
Oh yeah, another.
Pwede mag-jump daw. Oh, yan oh.
Okay, this is the Magnificent 10. Yung mga pangit na tira.
Final table.
Hey, change me, will ya?
Mga pro.
Black na lang, black.
Mga
Poker
walang
player.
magawa, kundi mag-poker.
Patay kayo sa mga misis nyo, wala pa kayo sa
Si
bahay.
Conrad, kung pwede daw to every month. Sounds good.
Akin na lang 100.
Good, ano ha?
Kasi hindi nasarapan, isang deal lang, oh.
Masyado aggressive eh. Talagang all in siya eh.
Isang deal lang inaabot.
May is ka kasi eh.
Oo nga.
Sama mo na yan.
Akala ko, nagbablock si Romy.
Nasingita ka lang.
Calling ka agad, sir eh.
Akala ko, bluffer eh. Yung pala, magaling pala. Professional poker pala.
Wala na dun eh. Kaya ito, black. Tingnan natin ang black.
Sige na, matagal pa. Magtagal pa. Pareho na rin.
Sipag ni Cesar eh. Cesar, ang pangalan anak?
Jan.
Jan. Ay.
Alright, it's alright.
Laki ng anak ni Cesar eh.
Yeah, working out.
Ito, palta mo, oh.
No. Kasi iba kulang eh.
Sige na.
Oh, pwede na. Deal.
Magkakano ba ito?
O lahat all out, parang wala kang
Pero
kita
niya, okay yan.
Si Romy talaga.
Si Robin, dito matakbo.
Hindi pwede yan.
Parang taga Marikina.
50, 50 more. At 20, 10, 10. Yan.
Kulang pa yan.
Dalawang yellow to eh.
Call ka ba?
710 daw.
Kailangan mo exercise naman.
Patay na kayo, nagsasayaw na yun.
Nagsasayaw na. Huwag ka na pag nagsayaw na. Mark! Nagsasayaw na ako dito.
Bakit aces yan?
Nakasabihin ka ng balita ha.
Dalawang aces ha.
Naka
The champion, Mr. Sam Sampilo! Yay! Second place, Mr. Raul Barba. Third place, Mon Cardenas.
second place kami
Second place, hey, second place na, partner ko to.
Ah, bakas mo ba?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Okay. Bakas, Fidel.
Kaya sabi ko, hold on for the third place. He was knocked out.
The losers! There you go. Here are the losers. Yeah, right there, right there, right there, right there.
Okay.
Second place, 570 something.
Second place, magkano nga ba? 200, ha? 275? 275? Wait, I'll count it.
Second place, 285.
Ha?
Second place, 285.
285.
285.
Alright.
Second place. How much is first?
475.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Winner!
Ibigay sa igil ha, kahit
Second
naman lang
place,
50 dollars.
25!
I think we should play.
One more picture now.
Okay! Next!
Stop the best.
475.
470.
Alright.
Pare, hati tayo ha.
Need to play
One
golf.
for you.
Okay. This is for, still for
One for
Eagle
you.
Eye.
One for me.